We'll guide you through how to create stunning visual effects in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and head over to the Edit page. Drag the clip you want to enhance into the timeline. Once your clip is in place, select it, and then go to the top and click on the Fusion tab. This will take you into the Fusion workspace where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a Media In node and a Media Out node. They represent the start and end of your effects chain. To create a basic visual effect, let's say a light flare, go to the toolbar at the bottom and click on the Effects library. In the search bar, type Lens Flare. Drag the lens flare effect from the library directly onto the line connecting the Media In and Media Out nodes. This integrates the effect into your clip. Now, you can customize the flare by selecting the Lens Flare node. Over in the Inspector panel on the right, you'll see options for tweaking the appearance of the flare. Adjust parameters like intensity, color, and position to suit your creative vision. If you want to add more complexity, you can layer additional effects by dragging more nodes from the effects library and connecting them in sequence. Always remember to play back your clip to see how the effects integrate with your footage. Once you're happy with the result, go back to the Edit page and render your project. This ensures your effects are fully applied and ready for export. Experiment with different nodes and combinations to truly make your video stand out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.